Parish, the school board will decide in November whether to put a property tax proposal on a future ballot. If approved, the tax would fund capital improvements and pay raises for faculty and staff at parish schools. Now, if the tax fails, the school board may have to consider cutting teachers to pay for some repairs.
The only way that we can reduce our budget is through personnel, and in order to provide a quality education for the students here, we have to have the personnel that we have, and even more. However, we're asking the public to support us. We're not asking for anything over and above.